Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey. And today's weekend unique recipe is Paneer Tikka, that is Paneer Tandoori Tikka with mint chutney. I always believe that without the mint or the Pudina chutney, the Paneer Tikka is always incomplete. So let us start the first process or the first step for the Pudina chutney. Here I've taken a bunch of Pudina along with a bunch of coriander leaves, juice of half a lemon or more, 2 green chilies. You can adjust the spice, you can add in more green chilies, some roasted peanuts, around 2 tablespoons, some roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala powder, 1 tablespoon of Amchur powder, that is dry mango powder, garlic and ginger, small pieces. Let us blend together. Apologize for not mentioning about the yogurt. I completely skipped it. So you can add 1 cup of yogurt to it. This actually enhances the taste. Unique smooth texture to the chutney. So mint pudina chutney is all set and all ready to complement the tandoori paneer tikka. Let us now begin with the ingredients section. Please note down salt and pepper for taste, homemade garam masala, will be using as per the taste, 2 or 3 spoon, yogurt or curd, fresh yogurt or curd, red chilli powder, homemade garlic and ginger paste, roasted cumin powder, turmeric, that is haldi, amchur powder, kasuri methi powder, not more than 1 tablespoon, and tandoori masala powder. Kindly check the entire video to follow up with the recipe and step-by-step instruction with the detail, measurement and the ratio to be followed. Please don't miss the kasuri methi part, because kasuri methi actually gives that unique flavor and aroma to the masala. But don't overdo it, or else it will turn bitter. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. The ready to be done paneer should need around 30 minutes of resting period inside the refrigerator. Do not keep it open in the room temperature, or else it will turn them into soggy. I absolutely love that sizzling sound and the smoke effect. Hope you are enjoying it too. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, the tandoori paneer recipe with the mint chutney. For more such unique and delicious recipe out of the box, you need to stay tuned to Dimple's and Arabian journey by just subscribing us and hitting onto the bell icon. Follow the hashtag #FlourAndAroma and connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned.